Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We have got the February 2023 Sunshines and Smiles Paper Pumpkin Kit. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Well, we have got the add-on pieces that you can order for this kit. You can get a couple of dies to go with some of the die cut or the stamps. And then there's next month is 10 years of growth for Paper Pumpkin. So there's a free gift with the March Paper Pumpkin kit. So if you want to subscribe, now's a really good time to subscribe. We've got our Sunshine and Smiles Paper Pumpkin Kit instructions, full color. We've got our little ruler along the side. There are 3 card projects. On the back, it shows really quickly what you need for each. And then here we have some alternate ideas and the full contents of the kit. And the coordinating colors are Balmy Blue, Basic Black, Cajun Craze, Coastal Cabana, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, Mango Melody, Old Olive, and Shaded Spruce. So tons of coordinating products there. And we've got some glossy dots and our dimensionals and our adhesive spots. And then we've got our stamp set. So we've got a sunshine, kite string, a kite, we've got some flowers and the froggy and the You Brighten My Day, friends in any kind of weather, and wishing you sunshine and smiles along with a little hello. We've got our Mango Melody stamp spot. We've got, oh, look at those kites, aren't they cute? Oh, and then you can use that to, oh, this is going to be fun. So we've got our label dies. Oh, look at those. The flower die cuts, the clouds, the grass, a turtle, a rabbit, a ducky, and a frog. And that's that. Now let's look at our card bases. We've got that one. Oh, and look at the inside. That's really nice. And then the inside of that one with the Mango Melody outside. And then we've got the Balmy Blue with some raindrops inside. And we've got these die cuts as well. And then we've got our envelopes that go with the kit. So they're all the same, but they've got that beautiful Mango Melody interior. So that is our Sunshine and Smiles Paper Pumpkin Kit for February 2023. So stay tuned for the projects.